Hi, this is the team of Mike, Chris and Luke Haas with Realty One Group Gold Standard. You are invited to view this huge house located in Schenley Heights at 3320 Iowa Street. This home boasts 4 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, a kitchen with butler pantry, a dining room, a family room, a master bedroom with walk-in closet, a level backyard and an integral garage. As you enter this home, the grand entrance invites you into the spacious living room with fireplace to relax. Entertain your guests in the dining room. Just steps away from the kitchen with butler pantry. Enjoy your evenings in the family room and your weekends grilling in the level backyard. You will love the convenient location. Only minutes to Oakland, town and shopping. With easy access to the medical center, university district, hospitals and public transportation. This house is ready for you to make it your own.